Good day, everyone. Hey, we got ourselves a Canuck 20 gauge shotgun. Really nice little gun. It's a lot of fun to shoot. It's a great gun. And one of the things that we just got it, and one of the things that we wanted to do is take the plug out right here in order to be able to put more rounds in there to be able to shoot more rounds at a time. Now that's illegal apparently if you are hunting. But if you're not hunting, you just target shooting, then it's fine to take it out. So just keep that in mind if you ever do this yourself. And what we want to do with this gun today is disassemble it, take the plug out, and then reassemble it. Now you don't have to disassemble the gun all the way in order to take the plug out, but we want to do the whole thing just so that we can show how it's done. And so I will start off by taking this screw out right here, taking this cap off. And what we're trying to get at to remove the plug is right in here is the plug that prevents the as many rounds to be able to be put in the chamber or in the tube down there. And so now that we have that cap off, now we can just take this whole assembly out, and all we got left in there is the plug, the tube with the plug where the rounds go into when you load the gun. And you just take this barrel off. So this you can take apart for cleaning. You can clean everything. So there, it's pretty much disassembled. Now this can come out too yet, and this slide, I think this is what they call it. But anyway, we want to take that plug out now. So that's as far, I think, as the gun can, well, technically be disassembled without machine work or with however they assemble it from the factory, I don't know, but as much as you need anyway for cleaning. And so now we want to go to the end here, and what you got to do, this is spring loaded. What you've got to do is that ring there, you want to take that ring out, and what I'm pressing here is that plug. So that ring prevents that plug from coming out. And so what we got to do is push that plug in, and that makes the ring fall. And then we're trying to, whoa, that just popped right out. So anyway, here's the plug. This prevents, well, you can put that many more rounds in there as much as that, the length of that is. And so then what you do is you put this ring back in there. Hopefully that shows up on the video nicely. And you want to put it back in there. There you go. That's in there now. And that's how you take that plug out. Keep this in order whenever you want to go hunting, you put it back in. And so, but to go target shooting, we don't want it in there so that we can put more rounds in at a time. And then you clean it, and then you start the assembly. And this has a slotted hole there that fits right over this little ridge there. And that, when you pull this back, it goes like that. This little lever inside goes up, hooks into the round or the shell, and pops it out. And then you put this tube back in here through the pump, and then you try that again. There, put that on there, back on the slide, and then you put this in here. And you push that in. Just push that in. You don't need to press that at this time. You just push it in a certain distance, and then you put your barrel. You gotta have it far enough out so that your barrel, that ridge can go over this pump cutout, the pump action cutout there. And then you make sure this ring is gonna go over this tube here, and you push this in and push it all the way back, and then you put this cap back on. And then once that cap is on, now your gun is fully functional again. And now we have this plug, you store it, put it in your box, put it in your gun safe or whatever, and then you put it back in there when you want to go hunting again. And that's how you disassemble, take the plug out, and reassemble a Canuck 20 gauge shotgun. Hopefully this helps.